Hi, hello everyone. Hi. Listen. So, good morning to you, everyone. So, do you remember this? Well, I had a bit there and a bit there that I said I was going to cut away. It was extra. It didn't fit inside the circle. Well, the globe. So I just added holographic sticker there and a butterfly holographic sticker there. Can you see? So I made these two stickers from sticker sheet. Bought from Amazon, and I used my punches. I just show you one second. So I used this punch and this punch. I can't remember where I bought them, but they're really good quality. If you see them, just pick them up. So just having my good morning tea. And I just remembered something. So you know, yesterday, if you saw my video, this one, I didn't have a stopper, and so I thought, oh no, if somebody copies my design, they won't know how this stops from coming out. So that's what I'm going to share with you today, plus a few other things, okay? I hope you can see. So just move my chair 1 second. I already had some trouble, so just fix the problem. Now I can relax for a little while. So I'm going to cut this down because I want to show you a different bit of the trick or solution or whatever. So I hope you can see. I hope everyone's having a nice day. Good morning. So that's my cat. So in order for this not to come out, I have to put 2 stoppers inside there, and those stoppers are from to cut them into squares and just position one hair and one hair, and then leave a gap for that to slide in and out. Remember, that's just my prototype, it's not the finished product. 2 squares. Just under there, can you see? And there. So then peel off the other bit and stick it down. So now the cat can go up and down, but it can't come out because the 2 stoppers are there, okay? See? So I'll put it up to there, that's so it can reach the bird. And then I'm going to cut it off. Down. Goes back in there, see? Let me see if you can see this. Yes, so it goes up to get the cat, and then it comes back into the slot, but it can't come out down there. Well, this looks bizarre, doesn't it? I suppose you can tuck it behind. You could tuck it behind the card. This is just a prototype, so I'm still working things out. So, and then when you want to use it, you tell the child how to use it. And then, oh, there. Oh yeah, I love it. And I just had this idea a few seconds ago. Can you believe that? I've got honey in my tea. That's the extra, you know, the kick to start the morning. There you go. I love it. So just go back to your fold. Hold it behind and take it out, and you can use that the cat to get the bird. Boom. And bring it back down again. So that's just that one thing. I hope you can see. And then so I just wanted to share something with you. So I put together something. See, just last night before I went to bed, so it would be dry in the morning. So it's dry, and I'm so excited to share it with you. Look, that is beautiful, isn't it? This is my new dye. It arrived very late yesterday, and that's just an old Christmas coffee jar that my sister gave me last year, and I saved it. I painted it with white acrylic paint, and there's hints of red glitter in there. And then I used my brush, PVA glue, and you know this, you can leave it black or you can spray it with there's mica powder in here, white, and alcohol, rubbing alcohol. So then you can spray it, and then it'll have a nice sheen. Yeah. I had a nice sheen already, but when I applied the PVA glue to stick it down, I don't know if you can see this, when I applied the PVA glue, it sort of washed off, maybe came off the mica. You can just have it plain black. That's very beautiful too. So I thought these would be bigger, but they came out the size of a little bit bigger than my palm. I'm going to make a lantern with this, a lantern. I'm going to show you next time. So, and then also what I'm doing is I'm going to have, so this will be the front, and then I'm going to have one just slightly next to it, and then the rest of it I'm going to decorate with these. Can you see this? Silhouette die cuts, which I cut and sell on Amazon. So but you just stick that down there next to there, or you can stick it on the back, you know, the opposite side of this one, with watered down PVA. So you can choose, you can have it this way or that way. So this time I might have it this way, because then it's looking for that one. See, clever, isn't it? And then fill it with fairy lights, and it will be so beautiful. Okay, so now I'm doing this. So the other day I went out to get some cake and I got this from my one of my local stores, and I've got this new tool. So I'm going to use the tool to make something. So that's it ready. selected the picture I'm taking from here. Just cut it out. Can you see that? Carefully tear it out. So like it's a bauble. If you can't get in, then snip some of the paper away. And later on I can decorate that, you see. It's a bit big, but I'm going to cover it anyway with the montes and stuff, so. There you go. Oh, did I cover it straight? But I'm going to cover it some, okay. And then again, if I don't wear glasses, I can't really tell what that is. So I'll pick another one. One second. Let me flick through the book. Yeah. Hold on. Let me see something that I like. You get the idea, right? Everybody does this. Oh, these are nice, look. Yeah, that one, let's see. That one. I used to love Mickey when I was growing up. I love reindeers. Oh, there. I've got it now, okay. It's the reindeer. I could use it as a tag for this. Bear with me. Okay, there you go. Okay, so that's square and this is not, so choose your thing. And I love having tools like this. You can do so many things with them. See? There's a little bird or something there. I haven't got my glasses on. A lovely reindeer. 1 second while I put my glasses on. I can actually see. Sometimes I feel like I'm a blind crafter. Oh wow, that is so nice. Christmas wishes. Yeah, I like that a lot. So I'm going to cut out lots today, and then I'm going to design them with you next time. Yeah, I love that. So I'm going now to make things, and then I'll share the video with you later. Oh, let me see the penguin now. Oh my, I can see it now. It is a baby penguin, and mummy and a daddy penguin, I suppose. And there's glitter there, but I don't know. Okay, never mind. See you, take care. Oh, and look, I can use my Christmas glitter shaker to make things. I've got a different one as well with different colours. When I use it, I'll show you. Okay, see you, take care, bye. Have a blessed day.